In this video, I want to show you how to change out the batteries on a Posey Sitter on Q, but basically the concept is the same on any Posey device that you have. So the Posey takes 4 AA batteries, and it's located on the back here. Now this back is very stubborn to get off. You can put all the muscle in the world and you still can't get it off. So I'd recommend you get like a butter knife. And what you do is or a key, and you pry it open by going underneath. And what you do is you lift up, and as you're lifting up on this lip here, you push. So I'm going to push here and then lift up, and you'll be able to pry it by just pry as much as you can. And as you're doing that, then you push forward. And then that's going to expose your 4 AA batteries, and of course you can use your butter knife or your whatever to open up and get the batteries. Alright, thanks for watching this YouTube video, and make sure you subscribe.